Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by powering off and unplugging the laptop to avoid shorting circuits. Once done, remove external power and, if possible, the battery. Use a thin plastic pry or flat tool to lift the up or down keycap from one corner. Gentle prying prevents clips from breaking. As you lift, make sure to observe how the keycap attaches and where plastic stabilizers sit. Take a quick photo. That picture will guide reassembly and prevent mistakes when you later align the retainer and scissor mechanism. Once the keycap is off, inspect the retainer and scissor mechanism for cracked clips or bent hinges because those cause sticking or non-functioning keys. Use compressed air to clear dust, then a 90% isopropyl swab to remove grime around the metal contact and rubber dome. Avoid flooding the area. If a clip is damaged, replace the retainer or entire scissor. If just misaligned, press the scissor halves into position so the hinge moves smoothly. Make sure the rubber dome is centered under the contact. To finish, align the retainer and scissor mechanism with the base's hooks. Once aligned, lower the keycap straight down and press evenly until you hear a snap, which indicates clips engaged. Then power on and test the up and down keys for consistent travel and tactile feedback. Make sure they register in software. If the key is mushy or non-responsive, reseat the rubber dome and retainer, or temporarily swap with a nearby key to determine if the switch or PCB contact is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.